Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meklaya konrad ke sangma ula pentip bak jingïalang benengkong nak benta ke jingtemu pynbeit put haka PS2 hapadeng ke Jela Meklaya bat Assam kan long hadien ke Independence Day ke Jela Meklaya bat Assam kila dabi soi ke Memorandum of Understanding MOU pynbeit put haka PS1 men ke arpundai trek ulber arjar puar hakmat Menteri Kampo yang ke Sarkar India Amit Shah nak khirar ligi cakap kaput kibla itu kum kibadan ni kata ke jingi kanat hapadeng ke Jela Meklaya bat Assam hendro tuli nak PS1 kibla dabi soi MOU pynbeit put ki gentop ya Jizang, Tarabari, Hahim, Boklapara, Khanapara, Pilangata, Barata Cera. Katba gi basa sa hendrutli banang ekran na phase 2 ki gentop ya Langpi, Bordwar, Nongwa Motomor, Block 1, Block 2 bat Khanduli. Ka MOU pynbeit put phase 1 kala sya persya na bon kiliang rangkat ki jingeno bak Sarkar MDA kala syai ay ki Chakash Assam klem ki jingmuncurlang na ki badai bandan matalang.
This government is very committed to resolving the border dispute. And that is the reason why we have moved forward in 6 of the areas and we have signed the MOU after detailed consultation with the people, and the people's will has what has led to the resolution of the first 6 locations, and we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process. It's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time and we have to move forward and we have to allow the process to continue, and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine, when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time, and we have decided that we will be having the first meeting for the phase 2 within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati, and we will be forming the regional committees, and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said, that it's not a simple process. Things are much more complicated, and even Karbialong District Council is involved, and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion. And like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils, and more importantly the public in general, to be able to figure out how we could reach to the best possible solution by carrying everybody along with us.